Hi, Murisa.
Hi, Lisa.
Abuse and diffuse. Kaba clean ya fawasa. Ya se manje siyahamba.
Siyaguduka. Manje sithi sithalala.
Ay. I'm Katal. Hi guys, welcome back to the K and Co 2 guys. We're in the bundus. I'm at Venda, basically referred to, yes, and we have been, oh, this is a mosquito net, so yeah, we have been doing a lot of labor basically. There's a wedding that's coming, and the wedding is like of my uncle, close uncle of mine, close to my father, and we're at my father's side, so there was a lot of things that were going on. Anyways, we had to do a lot of labor, so today we went to turn maize corn into maize meal, and the labor was tough. We were having a hard time, I'm not even lying. It was tough, guys, but either way we did that, and we had to do that because they're gonna need a variety of stuff for people that, like the guests that are coming, so they can give them options. So they had to go to the farm, take the corns, peel out the corn from the whole corn thingy, and then they had to put it in sacks, and then we had to carry the sacks from the house that's being built to the car, and then from the car we had to go to the place, and then there was no electricity. We got there at 7, had to wait till 11. There was no electricity, and then at 11, that's when we started the whole process. So we were there for a long time, and in the process we ate, yeah, basically. But yeah, all of that happened, and I didn't break any nails. Wow, I didn't break any nails. Yeah. And then yesterday we had to wash like 25 huge blankets because we're gonna have guests that are coming to like this house, because yeah, they're gonna be using this house as like a guest house-ish thing. So there's a lot of labor that's going to be coming in. There's a lot of things that I'm still going to be doing, which is probably going to be time consuming, and you're gonna have to bear with me. But I will also insert clips of everything that I've been doing, because I've been vlogging, because why not? Yeah. And then now we're back home, but we're not done. There's like the cutting out of the things, then we had to let the corn dry on the floor, like on the plastic, so of course not on the floor. And then after it dries, then because it was like from being washed and cleaned out there, now it's gonna dry, and then after it dries, they're gonna take it to the thing again to go make maize meal, which I hope I'm not going, because I'm cartel and the labor there is tough. Anyways, let me go help, guys, because we're not done. Bye. guys, today's the 17th of December and it is the day of bringing back the makoti to our side of the family. So right now it's like I think 8. We woke up at 6 and we've been busy. Now I'm going to start cleaning the house because we're going to be having guests, and then I'm going to do my makeup and get ready after I bath. But for now, I'll be showing you guys what's going around throughout the house. So bye guys. Good morning guys, it's the 25th of December and it's Christmas Day and we are hosting like a family reunion. So all my family from my father's side is gonna be coming here. Even the royalties from Bukaro are gonna be coming. So I'm gonna take you guys through how this day is gonna be, because I already know it's gonna be hectic. You see how beat up I look? That's how hectic it's gonna be. Bye guys, I'm looking crusty. It is 2 in the afternoon and the program just finished and y'all just watched the like snippets from it or whatsoever. We're going to eat and I'm going to bath and I'm gonna take pictures because this year I had Christmas clothes. Hello guys, we're at the farm taking mangoes because we have to go sell them if we want to go back to PLK. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. Sigourney, hi. Hi. Hello.
Hello.
How do you feel?
It is the time to I'm not feel. I'm tired.
You will. What do you want to link?
Longer.
Hey!
Ish! Ish! Hi guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel.
Where are we?
Hey, hell.
Hi guys, we're by the farm.
Hi guys, we're in hell.
Look guys.
Look at what they have me dressed in.
Beauty.
Wow, nice. Beauty.
She's my daughter. It can be.
See, this is why I deserve a soft life, a rich husband and all.
Because we can't be doing this.
What is this?
Child
labor. Help, call 911. My name is Siko. This is my third bucket.
Ha! Second bucket.
My name is Chadza. We've carried 6 buckets.
Huh? Hi guys, my name is Nyawa. And this is my third bucket. Huh. Yeah.
Nice.
Hi guys, you've come to the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching the whole video till the very end. Please do like, subscribe and comment, because now the comment sections should probably be open. I'll see you guys in the next video, and I promise I won't look so beat up in the next video. I promise I'm gonna look better, because this video I had it rough. But thank you guys for watching, and bye bye.